Yes guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a Photoshop tutorial for beginners. So I'm going to be doing a tutorial video every week for beginners who are learning to use Photoshop. And today, for sport graphic designs, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to use shadows. Shadows in sports graphic design is something that's very important. As for sports, when you're using a full body picture, you need to give it the feeling that the image is placed on something and not standing in the middle of nowhere. So through this tutorial, you're going to see the steps on how to create shadows, make your sport graphic design things look way better. And yeah, let's get into it. So for this one, I got a Max Verstappen PNG of a full body shot. So there's two different kind of shadows that you can do. I'm going to show you one that I done for the Max Verstappen poster. And yeah, let's get into it. So as you can see, for this Max Verstappen championship poster, I made a poster when he won the F1 World Championship, and as you can see, he's standing on the globe, or the earth I should say. The trophy here, as you can see, it's got shadows to make it look like it's actually underneath. So I'm going to remove the shadows so you can see what it looks like without it. So as you can see, without the shadows on the photo, it looks just completely off. And this is where shadows is important and where you need to know how to use it properly. So this is what I'm going to go through in this tutorial. So I've got this picture of Max Verstappen, and I'm going to add another layer here. You go to the plus sign, and I'm going to bring this layer underneath it. Then I'm going to press B. As you can see, the brush tool comes up. You can bring this bit up here to make it go level. So as you see, it will go level with the ground. And there's ways you can adjust it on the way it is. So you can make it like that, where he's standing very straight. But as you can see, his foot goes up a bit. So I'm going to bring it down just a bit more. So around there should be good. And I'm going to lower the flow of it a little bit, just like that. So that's the one bit on shadows. As you can see, it's made a huge difference, and it looks like he's standing on like a Photoshop floor. And then next thing, I'm going to go back to the layer. I'm going to add another layer, and I'm going to bring this layer below it, and I'm going to hold command, and I'm going to press the top one so it gets to object selection. So then after that, I'm going to go to the paint bucket tool here, and I'm going to fill it in to be at black. If I press this to remove it, you will see it'll just be a full out black picture of Max Verstappen. So that's the first bit, or adding a full body shadow. And then I'm going to hold shift, and I'm going to drag it all the way down to the bottom. So as you can see, like that, two different shadows added. So I added the underfoot shadow and then the full body shadow. So then I'm going to go to opacity. I'm going to bring it down just a bit, I'll say 55%. You can drag it along to however you feel comfortable with, but I think 55 should be perfect. And then I'm gonna make it a smart object, and then I'm gonna go to filter. I'm gonna do a Gaussian blur. It just adds that realistic feeling towards it. So as you see, it looks perfect there. And then I added another copy, so I hold Command and J to make another copy. And as you can see, you can just mess about with it more. So it gives it that double layer, and yeah, that's what it looks like. So with shadows, you need to base it off how you feel like the sunlight will be in the picture. So for example, if I want him to move to like the left, I hold command, and as you can see, if I hold it like that, I can bring it up to like the side to make it look like he's more to the left, so the sun's coming from like this direction. So you can just mess about with it, and then you can work towards how you want it on the picture. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you subscribe for the next video, and yeah, peace.